Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a diamond painting here. It's from Diamond Art Club, but I didn't, order it through Diamond Art Club. Well, not really. Anyhow, I believe it was The View on TV, The View. They were showing some deals, and that's where this was. It was a View deal, and I would not have known about it except for my friend Sue. Messaged me one morning and said, hey, they're having these special deals, and there's something there that you want. And I was like, oh, of course there is, right? Of course. And there was. I wanted this one for a while, and so it was a really good deal. It really was. And so I was like, fine, I'll finally get it. It's a square diamond painting. See the blue stripe? Square. See the blue? Square, square, square diamond painting. This puppy is bigger than I thought it was, all right? I was surprised it was this large. I just had it next to, old Toolkit. Look at that. See, it's an older painting. Yep. So I was really surprised at the size of this thing. I didn't think it was quite this large, but it is. All right. So you're like, what is it, Mindy? What is it? What is it? Why won't you tell us what it is? I'll tell you. Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit and I'll show you the little sticker. We'll look at the Toolkit and we'll go from there. Okay. So I had to get her. Adeline. Adeline by Myka, Jelina. I really I've thought about this one several times. But look at, she's 80 centimeter by 70 centimeters. She's big. So you know why, right? The little hippie kind of fairy girl sitting on her porch. She's growing her lemons over here. She's got lemonade and her chickens. I mean, come on. Come on, really? That just screams Mindy, doesn't it? You know it does. So, like I said, this is a kit that's been around for a while, so clearly it has like an older toolkit. I don't know if like they redo things, reorder, if things will get the new toolkits eventually, but I don't know. I don't know how that all works. Anyhow, here's our baggies going everywhere. Here's our tweezers for our square kit, a squishy, the pen, our wax multi-placer. All right, you guys are familiar with all that. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on that. All right, if you've been around any length of time, you know what this toolkit looks like. But there it is. Everything you need to diamond paint is right there. Okay? All right, let's get into it because I want to see it. Yes. I already see a drill. Why do I have a... Look, there went my glue. This is never going to reseal again. There's a drill, an orange one. Would you like an orange drill? It's right there. See? Hello. He's like, nope, we don't want to focus on that. Never mind. There it is. Little peachy orange drill. All right. I hope that doesn't mean there's more. Last thing I want is a bunch of drills going everywhere. Okay. So, Diamond Art Club has their nice soft canvas. Tarpaulin is what they call it. Scalloped edge. Poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so I can get everything out of the inside, and we'll take a gander on this painting and see what we got. Come on, roll it, let's go. Like I said, it's big. It's big. All right, we have emptied the interior of the canvas. All right, what do we have? Well, here is our sticker sheet. Okay, if this will just sit here, I'd be happy. But it always wants to unroll. I try to tuck it under my arm, but I'm not feeling like doing that today. So this is all sticker. Everything will stick somewhere. The name of the painting, the artist, you put your start and end date here, your size is down here, and here is our picture. Isn't she cute? I love her. She's got this big owl necklace on. Okay, so if you're old like me, you know that this owl necklace was macrame, right? That's macrame? It has to be. And I've made a few of those in my day. Macrame owls. That's pretty cool. Then she's got her braids, her wings, her lemonade. She's just sitting on her porch with her little chickens over here. There's her mama hen and chicks over here. Her patched pants. I love that. Oh my gosh. Isn't she cute? This sticker, I'm going to tell you, looks dark. I've seen this completed and it is not this dark, really. We have individual labels here for our containers. You can peel them off, put them on your containers. This has 56 colors. It's got a good amount of colors. Look at all the symbols. We're going to have some browns and reds. A lot of blue in her, actually. Anything under 150 is an AB, so we've got to go way up here. We only have two, 141 and 136. White, blue, white and blue, white and blue, right? Okay, here is our information sheet, codes, tips, tricks, all that stuff. If you do not have a code, you can use mine. It is 10 off Mindy. It will save you $10 off your very first purchase. So after that, look for your codes. Look for them in your box. Look at those drills. The name is right on it. Look at that burgundy color. Okay. Yep, there are codes in the box, on the canvas, in the VIP group. Just, oh, look at the little plant here. Got a plant here. And then she's got her little bell here by her door. Ding, 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 ding. Hello, I'm here. Here's all of your symbols here. Very nice, very nice. We're going to have to zoom you out here. Look, would you care for some lemonade today? It's a nice day for lemonade. She's got some, I'm thinking this is lavender. I don't know. I'm just guessing. But pretty. Look at all of her bracelets. She's got beaded bracelets. Looks like there's some ABs in her bracelets. I love the patch pants, the patchwork pants. Those are so cool. Then she's got her little, like, summery little haltery. It's not really a halter, but you know what I mean. And that is definitely a macrame owl. I'm just going to tell you it's a macrame owl. Look at her. She's so cool. Okay, how about if I zoom you out so you can see everything? How would that be, right? I mean, look at her. Isn't she cool? She's so cool. I love her. This big hat she's got on. Flowers. Do you remember these belts? We had to wear a belt like that. It just was the thing. You got a belt like that. Funny thing is, Dale still has a belt like this. He likes the belts with the holes in them like this. And look at her chickens. Look at her little chickens over here. The little baby chicks. Another pot. She's got her big pot here with her lemon tree and her light by her porch. She's just hanging out on a summer day with her birds, having lemonade, looking fine. Doesn't she look fine? You know, there's many, many Myka Jelinas I like. I don't like all of them, but there are many, many Myka Jelina artworks that I like. This is one of them. Look, she's got twos up her arm. Those are white ABs. The twos are. Her bracelets have white AB. The belt buckle's white AB. The lemonade has a lot of white AB. White AB sprinkled in her wings, up here in her sleeves. I'm sorry, I'm doing the ABs right now. I just am. Why? Because I can. I don't know, something different. Look at some white ABs on the little breasts of our chickens and in their eyes, beak. The whites are just easy to find. All of this hair, these curls and down through her braid is white AB. Shoot, while I'm here, might as well tell you where the blues are too, because I know the other one is blue. Those are ones. We get those like, I thought there was some here, but there aren't. No. Where are the ones? Where are the ones? Where are the ones? They're blue. Come on, blue. Where are they? How come I can't find them? Maybe they're not one. No, they are one. They're one. These are not ones, threes, Ys, everything but one. Oh, here's a little bit. Here's a little bit right here. Here's a little bit. They're just a little bit. Okay, they go like around here and some up here. There's just little bits of them. There's not a ton. All right. How about in her hat? How about in the flowers? Do we have any in the blue flowers over here? Oh, there we go. There. We get some in the blue flowers. Okay, zoom in. Come on. We'll just zoom you in and out today. In and out, in and out. See all the ones in the flowers? I really think it's lavender. I'm going to call it lavender. How about up here in her hat? Do we have ones in her hat? A couple. See the few over there? There's a couple of ones, not many. Her eyes? No. Twos. Got the white in her eyes. We have a white in our eye. How about on her bird? There's a bird on her shoulder. Oh, there's a few there. That's a bluebird. There's a few right here. Yep, there are not a ton of ones, but they're definitely throughout her top. And there's some on the bird and some in the flowers. I love her. She is so cool. All right, let's look at the drills. There's a lot of them. Like I said, I did not know that she was this large. She is in charge, large and in charge, right? Large and in charge. I think it would be cool to have maybe a little yellow AB, like in the lemons over here. Maybe put a few yellow or orange AB in here to give the lemons a little something extra. And of course her light, that needs some AB. I don't know. I'll see what I have. I'm certain I have some yellow or orange. I'll check it out, see if I wanted to add those. So we're gonna get browns, rust, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of this cranberry. Why? Her house, the door frame is the cranberry color. Black. Okay. I haven't had a painting with this much black in forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bags of black. I have not had that much black in ages, but a lot of stuff is outlined in black. Black. Everything's like outlined with the black. Makes sense. And then, okay, let's just throw in some more dark colors. The 3, 3, 7, 1. There's at least 4. There's 4. Wonder if there's more. Let's see. Do we have more coming? I don't think so. All right, here is our white AB. It's upside down. Oh, this strip is all backwards. Peach. Let's go this way. Some more browns. 3 bags of those. More brown. There's some blue. Brown. Tan. There's the white AB. There's quite a few of them, see? There are quite a few in the painting. Aurora Borealis. An iridescent coating on those drills to make them shine and sparkle and pick up all the colors. Like, see the pinks and the yellows and some purples in there? They're so pretty. They're going to look great on this painting, right? Here, we have a strip here. What do we have here? Red, green, gray, and purple. Are those the same? They are. $37.99. Dark gray. All right, what else? Where's the end? Need the end. All right, here it is. Here's some more of the pretty blue. Some more browns. More gray. Pink. Green. Brown. Green. 939 is like the darkest blue. Very pretty. Gray. Tan. Brown. Yellow. Peachy tan. Brown. Blue. Chocolate. Peach. 823 is your next dark blue. All right, and the last strip, here it is. Orangey, burnt orange. Purple, brown, gray, purple. There's our blue. See, there's not a ton of them. So I did probably find most of them on the painting because there's not a ton in the bag. So just a nice little accent. They'll look great in those flowers over there though, right? They'll look good in the flowers. Very pretty colors. I like it. I like her a lot. If I only had 24 hours a day to diamond paint, I could get so many of these things done, right? A little bit of 666 red. There you go. I love her. Thank you, Sue, for helping me spend my hard-earned money and letting me know that she was available. It really was a good deal. I mean, I don't know what it was, 40%, 50% off. It was something like that. It was really a good deal, and I'm glad I was able to snag her. Even though I have no idea when I'll get to work on her, I have her. And she's so cool. She is my hippie friend. I mean, you know, I'm a hippie at heart, you know. This is my era, you know. Like I said, I made several of those macrame owls in my lifetime. Yeah. And I made several things lemonade. How about you? Anyhow, she is cool. She is awesome. Myka, Jelina, thank you for great artwork, right? And for licensing with Diamond Art Club so that we can diamond paint your fantastic... And her work translates so well to diamond paintings. I've done a couple of Myka Jelinas, and they translate wonderfully to diamond paintings. Nice job. Nice work. Nice work. Yay. Glad I have her. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you hit the like button, subscribe, share the video with somebody. It really helps out. You know, yeah. help a girl out. Thank you so much, everybody, and let me know what you think about her. All right, I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.